viewers, welcome to my channel. Before I start this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more updates. Hi everyone, today I'm going to be doing another toy video. But you might be saying these cars here, as well as I am, but this is not going to be the toy video. These cars are going to be part of the toy video, as long as two Paw Patrol figures, but that isn't really mattering. But first, I'm going to be showing you a cube illusion. All it requires is 3 diamonds and 1 hexagon. So what you do is this. You put one on top, one on one side, and the other on the other. So to make this work, you have to look directly at one of the at the center. So is it working yet? Hope you can. You see, it makes it look like a cube shape. Like this part, you know, like a Rubik's Cube. Like, yeah, it works. So that's not why you're here. I just wanted to show it off. So, first, I'm actually going to be, never mind. Actually, I'm going to be building something that I created by myself. Let's get this guy. These two, right there. Oh yeah, just saying, we will also be using these guys. Ooh. Let's just put them to a side. Let's get the rest of the pieces. We will only be using 4 triangles and 4 big triangles. So yeah. It doesn't. If you already have this, you don't need to use the exact same colors I use. Then we have to do it on the other side. Alright, now what we have to do is put it on these things, the wheels. So this is so what I'm going to be making here is actually a transportable car garage. And that's what those 3 cars are going to be for. And the 2 Paw Patrol figures are going to be the owners of this. Even though I built it, but yeah. That's what's going to happen. So let me continue doing this. Sorry, I'm shaking the table. No, we're not doing these. So let's get to these diamonds. Oh yeah, isn't it funny that these actually look like a pair of lungs? If it looks like that for you. Oh yeah, it also looks like an arrow pointing down. Yeah. So let's just continue. Let me get a square to hold these 2. Just saying, the front is the entrance. So this will be the entrance. We're gonna add to some things here. So yeah. Let's put you here. Boom. I think I need to move the place where all my pieces are coming from a little closer so we don't move the table. Okay, let's put it down over here. Alright. Let's put you on top. Oh yeah. Such a coincidence. I actually was building this like 3 or 2 days ago. And then I was trying to figure out what to do with these. And since I only know there were 4 of these diamonds, I had to figure out something else. Then I'm like, wait, these 2 pieces will fit perfectly. See what I mean? Look. Boom. They fit perfectly. Let's find another one. Just saying, this piece is completely from me. It's not in the instruction book. Alright, let's put you here. So now we're gonna use the other two diamonds. Yeah, I should have explained this earlier. So you can put wheels on these things like this. I'm gonna be using a different wheel instead of this, even though they're the same size. I'm gonna use where is that wheel? Come on. Here it is. Here's the wheel. These come in two different colors, the blue one and there's a pink one. Okay, let's put it on. There you go. Let's see, where's this gonna fit? Okay. Boom. Now I have to fix it to the magnet, which is easy. Boom. Cha-ching. Let's put another square on top of it to make sure it holds. Alright. And this is where the exit, actually, no, I still have to find the other diamond. Let's see, where is it? Oh yeah, I also found two of these curved parts. They're the only ones I found. They're nice. Where is it? These I found with the pink wheels. I could attach it. Let's see, like that. Let's fix you in. Well, now all we need is still the diamond. Come on, why is it so hard to find? Finally, I found it. Here he is. Cheeky one. Finally, there you go. Now, let's put the tire that's supposed to be on the back. So you know some trucks have like a spare tire on the back? That's what I'm going to be adding. That's easy. I need to find a square. Here it is. Right here. Then let's squish it there. Why isn't it fitting? There you go. Here he is. So he's going to stand all the way at the back. Boom. Well, I first created the part without this, but then I wanted to upgrade it so I can make it better. Turns out, I don't really need this. I just added this for the touch. Yeah, it doesn't even roll. Except this guy. Or should I say girl? Yeah, this is basically never mind. What should I put here? Right here, I could put this guy. 3 of them, because like this thing. Hope you can see everything correctly, or else that would have been terrible. Yeah, this is a bit tricky to make when you're making it the exact same way as I did. Or as I am. So it's not complete yet. We need to put it secure on this side and secure on these, or else one of the cars will fall. Here's an example. I'm getting up. This is the door that opens. Boom. He's gonna fall through this. And if we get past that, he will fall in this, or that, or that, or that. So yeah. So to be clear, I'm gonna add more of these things. Like these. So first let's add it here. Boom. Here's another one. Oh, come on. This is taking a long while. Let's put one there. There's the one. Now 3 more to go. Here's one. Oh yeah, maybe I could just put, like, if I run out, maybe I can put these brick things. They are actually quite more helpful since there's a hole here and there isn't a hole there. So yeah. But I'll do that just in case if I run out, which I'm not running out, I think. There you go. No, it's not there. I think here's one of them. There. Now let's see, is there one more? Nope, there isn't. So let's use the brick thing. I'm gonna deassemble this and then put it on. Boom. There's probably one problem. Come on, there. Oh, maybe the brick thing wasn't a good idea. It's because the magnet doesn't really stick well since it covers the entire space, while this covers a little percent of it, like, I don't know, 90% of it. Well, this covers the entire thing. Yeah, just saying, since I have 3 cars, it's the exact amount to fit in. Because if I just use this, it's not going to fit. I mean, you might think this one is fit. I mean, it looks like that, but no, it isn't. I tried it before, but it didn't work. I don't get it. Where is it? Oh yeah, I found this balcony. It's for like a castle. That's in the instruction book. Maybe I'll do that in a later video. I said maybe. Ah, I found it. Yay. I finally found one. There we go. Yeah, this is gonna take some while. I need to turn this around. This doesn't really have its own steering operation, so you have to take it up and then put it. Not really that convenient. Boom. Okay, now the finishing. Oh wait, no, it's not done yet. I thought it was, but it isn't. Remember they told you that there's supposed to be 3 triangles and 3 really long triangles plus a cube? This is the part. It comes on top to make it more decorative or like festive. Let's see, let me make it. Boom. It goes into the middle. The first one goes to these tall triangles. Boom, here they are. Oh, wait, just give me a sec. There you go. Boom. And next, and lastly, the cube. Then we get to play with it. I need 3 of these. So I need 6 of these in total to make a full cube. Where is it? Here's a 4th cube. Square. Come on, I need 2 more. There is another one, but instead, there's another one like that connects to, like this one that I used. Instead of 3, it's 2. But that's not what I'm looking for anyway. cube last time. Oh, well, I guess I don't have to make the cube then. Huh, well, I could do this. I hope you like this one. I'm going to be doing this instead. Boom. Maybe I can put this thing on top. Oh, wait, no, this is a magnet. Oh, come on, I'm so dumb. I didn't even see these things for some reason. Well, I forgot that there's a bottom already, so I don't need two, so. Yeah, this is complete. Now let's start playing. So let's put this guy all the way here, and then our friends over here, aka the cars. Now let's get those two Paw Patrol figures. Here's one of the owners, Rocky. Where's Tracker? Whoa. Oh no, something's stuck. Maybe you can do my face, which is right here. Actually, no, let's just do Rocky. So over there, they're all chatting with each other until one day, let's pretend this is a billboard until they see this billboard. Hey bro, what's this? I think it's a billboard. What does it say? Let's see. Pretend it says a free garage tour. Hey, it's a free garage tour. Cool. Should we go? Sure. I'm gonna call the number. Beep, yeah, poop, bop, beep, beep, beep. Ring, ring. Hello? We'd like to have your garage tour for free. Okay, sure. We'll be right there. No. It's okay. Just send us where you are. Just send us the location where you are, and we'll be right there. It's okay. I already know where you are. Look behind you. Whoa, awesome. Great. I'm Rocky. Nice to meet you, Rocky. We'd like a tour of your garage. It's a car garage. Oh man, I can't move anymore. I don't have any gas. Well, that's a good thing. Beep. Here, plug. Glug, 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 glug. Hey, I'm full charge. Hey, let me tell you a story first. So one day we were just going on the street until we found a car that had no fuel. So we immediately took him to the gas station, and then he was fine. But how did you charge? How did you charge me if you said that you couldn't charge him? Oh, it's because that gasoline tank wasn't full. Oh, so when we got there, we filled him up. Nice. So can we go inside the garage? Sure. The capacity is 3. That's great because we're just 3. All right. Ow. Hop in. Beep. Give me a sec. Wow. Well, hop aboard. This is quite dark. Well, let me turn on the lights. Beep. Yay, that's better. Ooh, this is nice couches. So bouncy. Okay, now I'll go in. Boop, boop. Oh yeah, we added the back thing because we wanted some extra space, and especially since it's quarantine time. Oh, that's a relief. I'm stuck. Ow. Okay, that's better. Ow! Yeah, it sometimes does that on its own. Just saying, how old is this truck? Oh, around like 100 years or something. What? Then how long have you been working here? 10 years? Oh, okay. So, okay, I'm gonna use this to be pointing to whoever is talking so you don't get confused. Alright. Well, I don't really, oh wait, I think I might need to move this a bit. Sorry. Let's just move this over here. Wow, this is embarrassing. Huh, come to think of it. Now come on. It's 9 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, so what's the problem? I forgot, somebody told me to be at their party. And it's also the weekend, so we don't do any business days in here. Then what about that billboard we saw? That was posted last month. What? Just saying when I do, I don't know if you could see. Wait, let me check. Yeah, I think we should pull this thing a bit back so we can see properly. Okay, let's see if you like that. Actually, no, let's just do this. Good. I think it's time to get outside. Yeah. Okay, beep. Beep, beep, beep. I'm stuck again. Yeah, we need to fix that thing. He was saying that. Yeah, we need to fix that thing. Whatever. I'm just gonna use more speed. Don't be careful. We made those carpets. All right. Oh, be careful. I'm okay. Ow. Wait, you know I could just jump out of the window, right? Yeah. Well, be careful. Here, maybe I can just rocket boost myself up through the cube. Be careful. Actually, no, I don't think I can do that. I'm stuck. Good thing we can open the back side too. Yeah, that's why we don't normally keep it open. Huh, okay. That was a nice tour. Yeah. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. So I hope you enjoyed this tour of the garage. I mean the transportable garage. As you can see, it moves. Only this wheel doesn't really work. Let me see if it works. It's not working. Only this pinky wheel is working. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye! Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel, give a like, and hit the notification bell for more updates. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!